Watch this video and learn how to draw Steve from Minecraft. Later in the video, Bunny Fluffington sings a song. And watch to the end to see Louie reading some poetry. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, Artie. Artie, we can see you.
Artie was hiding.
Yes, very funny.
Yeah. Okay, yes, please. Wow.
Hello, little artists!
Hey, kids. How's it going?
Ready?
You know how you love Minecraft?
Yeah.
And you like Steve?
Yeah. Oh,
Let's draw him.
I can't wait. Yeah, let's start. Okay, drawing time.
I think it's time to start drawing. Drawing. It's time to start drawing.
Okay, Artie, let's start by drawing Steve's left eye. Minecraft drawings are pretty easy because it's lots of straight lines, no curves at all. Imagine if you had square eyes, Artie. You'd look pretty funny.
Yeah.
The amount of YouTube you watch, I'm surprised you don't have square eyes already.
Yeah.
That's right, let's draw the right eye. Actually, you know, these are more rectangle shapes, not squares.
Yeah.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Now let's draw a straight line down on the left side and then another one on the right side. Let's add 2 little circles, tiny ones. That's right. And then the same again on the right side, just 2 little circles. This is going to help when we shade in.
I met Bob Ross once in a parking lot.
Okay, it's time to shade in the eyes. Now you're going to have to do this very carefully, and you must leave those little circles that we drew white. So try and shade in around them so everything is black apart from those 2 tiny little circles. Take your time. That's it, Artie. Left eye is done. Now do the same on the right eye. You've got to be very patient doing this. Oh, here's Bunny Fluffington.
Hi, Artie!
Hi, Bunny.
Hi! Oh, wow, look at that! You have such a steady paw. I mean hand.
Yeah, cool.
All right, well, hop to it.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Oh, she's so cute, Artie, isn't she? It's nice when she comes to visit. Okay, let's get this right eye shaded in. You're being very patient, Artie.
Yeah.
Okay, well that's it. We have both of Steve's eyes finished.
Oh, let's have a song break.
A song break?
Yeah.
Why not?
Yeah. Okay, song break. Yeah.
This old man, he played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played too. He played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my door with the knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played five. He played knick-knack on my hive with the knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played six. He played knick-knack on my sticks with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
Oh, that was a really good song, Bert.
It was.
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Oh, I enjoyed so much.
And Bunny was great.
Yeah.
Let's finish the drawing now.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Now we're going to draw Steve's head. Draw a nice big straight line on the right side, Artie. That's it. All the way down. And now draw a little angle at the top. That's it. Now let's do the left side. Angle, and then a straight line down. Draw a little curve at the bottom, and then go all the way across and do another little curve on the right side. Keep watching to see Louis reading some of his poetry. Now let's draw a line all the way across the top, and now Steve has a head. Draw another line across, Artie. That's it. Now let's give him some hair. Remember, we only do straight lines when we're drawing Minecraft, so draw a stepped line up, all the way across, and a stepped line down.
Oh no, that's Painty's music. Painty, it's okay. We don't need you today. Everything's fine. Ow! Painty! Oh no! Everyone hide!
Oh, Bunny, you shouldn't be laughing. Painty made a big mess. Blue paint all over the place. I'm going to have to clean that up now. Let's add Steve's mouth. It's going to be a sort of U shape, but then we'll double it up to make it look a little bit thicker.
It's just no class, darling. I mean... Oh, hello, and welcome to Poetry Corner. Here's a lovely little poem about a magic toilet. We have a magic toilet. It makes things disappear. Just toss them in and flip the switch, and presto, they're not here. We love our magic toilet. It's super fun to use. My brother flushed his baseball bat, my sister flushed her shoes. Our mother flushed the sofa, she flushed our camping tent. That's when I looked around and said, I wonder where Dad went. Marvellous.
Thank you, Louis. That was interesting. But remember at home, little artists, we never flush anything down the toilet except toilet paper. That's right. Oh, Artie, I see you've drawn Steve's arm and his body. Oh, and now his right arm. Good work. Let's draw a little line across so that he has a hand. And now he has a right hand. Let's draw the top of his t-shirt with just a few stepped lines.
Hi, Artie. Oh, wow. That's like a masterpiece. It needs a musical number. Ba-ba-doo-ba-doo-boo-boo. Boo-boo-boo-boo-boo. You're welcome.
Thank you, Barry. Thanks for making all the neighbourhood dogs bark again. Let's draw Steve's pants now, Artie. Draw an upside-down V shape. One line, and then another. That's it. And then go across the bottom. And across again. And another line to give him shoes. That's it. I think this is finished, Artie. What do you think?
I'm finished.
It looks really good, but what else does it need?
How about some color?
Okay, but why are we whispering?
Okay, coloring time.
Coloring it in is my favorite part.
Artie finished.
Oh, it looks wonderful, Artie. You did a good job.
Artie did a good job.
Yes, you did. It came out really nice.
Really nice.
Are you happy with it?
Yeah, very happy.
Oh, good.
Have fun. See you next time. Marker out.
Bunny wishes and carrot kisses.
Yeah. Yes, thank you for watching. Please watch again. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Wow!